Backpack, from a successful Solana wallet, then going through a near-death experience brought on by FTX, to topping the NFT charts with Mad Lads, now Backpack has launched its own exchange. But it isn't just another centralized exchange, it has features like interest-bearing Perps, which lets you trade while earning yield. On top of that, you will automatically realize PnL without closing your positions and enjoy the cross-collateral and sub-account system that feels buttery smooth. In today's sponsored video, we will give you a detailed look at Backpack Exchange and its unique features, as well as one cool thing that you can start doing on it. But first, a quick recap. Backpack was originally founded in 2022 by Solana developer Armani Ferrante.
Backpack.
And launched as a self-custodial wallet, Backpack Wallet. In September 2022, Armani's company at the time, Coral, received a $20 million investment that was co-led by FTX and Jump to develop Backpack Wallet. Now, as we all know, however, FTX would collapse in November 2022, just 2 months after Armani's firm received the investment. Backpack lost $14.5 million from the FTX fallout, or 88% of the company's operational funds. However, in spite of this, the team chose to persevere with minimal funding. In April 2023, right in the middle of the bear market, Backpack launched Mad Lads, which became the #1 NFT collection on Solana in just a week. By the end of 2023, another player, Backpack Exchange, entered the Backpack ecosystem after receiving licenses from Dubai and becoming a member of Japan's self-regulatory organization. In January 2025, Backpack Exchange acquired FTX EU, the European division of FTX, for approximately $32.7 million. This acquisition will enable Backpack Exchange to offer regulated crypto derivatives products throughout the EU. And within a year of launching, it now serves more than 600,000 users from over 150 countries with over 60 billion in total volume traded. Now, what gives Backpack Exchange an edge is their unique features. So let's take a closer look at them one by one, starting with interest-bearing Perps. So the idea behind interest-bearing Perps is the combination of the Perps trading system and the borrow lending order book. This enables you to earn native borrow lending yield on your collateral while being able to trade perpetuals with 100% of your collateral simultaneously. In other words, no more choosing between yield and perp trading when you can do both at once. Then there's also auto lend, which when enabled will allow all your assets inside a sub account to automatically be lent out in the exchange's borrow lend market. While auto lending, you will be earning interest paid to the peer-to-peer lending pool and able to use 100% of the assets you lent out as collateral for trading. Auto lend works behind the scenes, lending more as your portfolio grows and repaying when needed. This also means that your yield, including unrealized PnLs, compounds automatically, as any interest you earn will be lent out on its own with auto lend enabled. There's also no time lock for your lending, and you may redeem your collateral at any time. Next up, there is auto PnL Realization, which settles your profits and losses every 10 seconds without reducing your Perps positions. Now, on most other exchanges, you have to close your position and pay fees in order to have the profit available to you for withdrawal. At Backpack, however, because of auto PnL Realization, profits are instantly credited and available in your account, which you can use for whatever you want. No need to close your positions, and this is also a neat feature if you consistently hold USDC in your account for Perp settlement, as you can avoid borrow interest whenever you are underwater. Most exchanges separate your balances by different features. Not Backpack. Here, a single cross-margin account works across all Backpack Exchange products. No need to move funds around. Now, if you would like to keep your risk isolated, Backpack also provides the option to create sub-accounts easily. Simply give your new sub-account a name, deposit funds into it, and it will be treated virtually as a different account, completely separated from your other sub-accounts. Now, there's still one more thing to mention about Backpack Exchange. Backpack Exchange is also a great place to perform a common trading strategy called a basis trade. So first of all, what is a basis trade? Well, it is a strategy that capitalizes on the price difference between an asset's spot and futures markets. This typically involves purchasing an asset like Bitcoin in the spot market while simultaneously taking a short position of the value in the underlying asset in its futures market. And this allows traders to collect and earn from the positive funding rate while remaining directionally neutral in the market. But here is where Backpack changes the game. Since you can lend assets and trade futures at the same time, you earn both the funding rate and lending yield. So, to do this, you would kind of have to keep a close eye on the funding rate of an asset of your choice. If it's positive, you're good to go, as people in long positions will be paying shorts. For assets with strong demand, like Bitcoin, the funding rate will be positive most of the time. Assuming that you have set up KYC and funded your Backpack Exchange account, you can turn on Auto Lend, which will automatically lend out all the assets in your account or sub-account. Then go to the spot market and purchase the asset of your choice. Lastly, head to the futures market and short the same amount of asset you hold in spot. And voila, you are now in a market neutral trade, collecting both the funding rate and lending yield from your assets. Made some money and want to go on DeFi? Simply withdraw to your Backpack wallet with one click and you're ready to go. No need to manually fill in your wallet address. And it's also the same on mobile, as Backpack Exchange and Backpack Wallet are integrated into one app. So, what do you think about Backpack Exchange? Drop a comment below. And before you go on and give things a spin, leave us a like and subscribe for more crypto content, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.